I wish you had Tylenol. I would have liked to take some. Thank you.
Don't squeeze it to its full. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it.
Oh, they're not seeing me. My back is aching. Thank you.
See your fingers. Closer down. That's it.
Edo ya wabadana. Etu wa ya o Edoniro wa kebe Edonirisi. Wa ya badana wa bo we o wa bavan o wa bota o. Dada won wa ye ikyotu wa ya fefefe. Wa ko yo o. Yemin ya ye be kin wa ye. Budoni ya ye. Nika be nemu wa ne ake tenare na bodo ya ye de wa ma de egbera wa baba ke bi ye wo de ama emo ke wa me de ama etani kwa ke etani ko ya ye wa ya ma enwina wa be enwina bo ekin wa be do bo de ga be kia emoni ya bo de ye owiwe me dia yesuku Evan and Wewin are digging a video, young Vio, Navima, oh, yo. A 2 here, I will tell any, I didn't know, Runya Bina. I didn't saw Runya Bina, whatever Yaro, don't take again, who's are not with another typhoon. Turning patanic when my baby, move your buin on my baby now. Wabo kia o wano ere ati mare rita na bulele obo kia o waka wa arisi kuyo. Timare Solomon Demudia Abokia o kuyo baba yo we kada e megbe kuyo de ko vu money ìdàbọ̀lẹ̀lẹ̀ wọ ọ̀yẹ̀ ṣèbùdọ́ pọ̀n sàlóbùà Demudia wo èmi yà wà mà pọ̀n sàlóbùà awe ni wọn ahịafẹ n'iru wa watota o n'ụwa gị asọngi na abere dota na aka taiga ege ozo anọgbera na dota fwede na pàtàkì no máa tẹ̀sùn ìhó ní yẹ èmi náà wèwé o bàbá táfù náà yà wèdè gbéyàwó èwé lókà o ugi èdèbẹ̀dọ́wọ́dọ́ o ẹ̀dẹ̀níyà kwẹ̀dẹ́ dé Friday gẹ̀ẹ́ wàtáwọn ọmọ wà dẹ̀ gẹ̀ẹ́ o ugi rẹ̀dẹ̀wọ́dọ́ àádùkò rẹ̀dẹ̀wọ́dọ́ ni nàánàgbà kan ukwu na tue do tue gẹ̀ẹ́ ukwu na tue rẹ̀dọ́ àyà àgbà kan obere ariye ihin eya ti nodogun aba ya kweri ya wese o yana be kime bai maybe do de bai ariye obe na madogun aka urku na to ebedo wa yere we ehunku na to ebedo na maka gwa kan si gba ha gba nene be bana ode ne pia Nigeria eni ya ohere YouTube na kata na pe ohere YouTube abechi maso bedo na mama we mando gwan ka be iya ko na me ya be gwan ye e video ya be gwan yunye gbe ne mu giyan runda me yan za tin ye do ki wan fi ya ko na we gege na ebini ata yegbe ni ave pe odo yaga ibe pe ebini kan ku na to na ebe no ya be we mewe gwan yo ebe na we na do ta wa here we dey ru yo salba lon pa se yo oku na to ebe do ebi no ka ke mawe no obege oni no pogeva we makata muwa gbàngbègbè ma ebi edo eri ave Miami ne aibe here eyubonia ne ya mo eki owo bi agbo makate ya o ebi kebi no ma iho no wu o ade ni maria ne ege mano Miami mano Miami be redo ba ebi kebi no ma iho no wu eka ho no fia o idodo ho no fia o ba ho no le o eto ho no me o eto ho no gbe o ba ko ho no wu o upo ho no se o ugbo ho no gbe o ebi kebi no di ka akopa we ro be do ba na ma mi kebi no ma ho no we mai di o ni ari ebi ke na kana ya yi ma emi ugbenso eso okiopa ugbenso eso okieva ugbenso eso okiha igo na ya ba ma be hai is ban ki me ki so si me o be hai na ya ma ni ebi ni obi ado na me nwina obi ado na kilodo we no ade o what ya ere o obi ado okay o ni a we tar boda na we de bi adoro no ho no we itaya na doloyi itaya wi moto ya kan ora va e mo na doloyi ya te vulcanizer ye ya re do ba o ona o na wo e bi don de mai ye gie e va ni amai ika na mai da mama mai oro ma o ene mai ha sa yo oga don wi an ma vi are na ne o we na wa vi are wi e be me ago. Uga no saba mo here. Oga na oga pa uga won ri ma. Akeche Paul Saro. O me ke na we ni veduba. Ni to bi enya ni e be ba na ni. Oni owo bogeba. Wedding. Even don't say me, or say me. Here what Badonia. You know where all you and I ku. Na akue that do what akue runya ifabu wa. Wa me no mo share bi na ewi na ewu na we do na ta ogbabo no. Do ba we no wo ege wedding ni obi ade. Bi na ta ba out the wo go ahead. These all engine mechanics. Then we know where mechanics. Okay, imoto no ogo ogedagu. Imoto ogedagu. What we do if you do that well winner. If you do that well winner, what I do. Mama well winner. I want to play again winner. Kebabe ya fe na taban. Eto na me ukonase imoto dan fi eto na gbe ugbo na gbe iba ku dan wu eka na wu ehia mara hasayo na ya mama mi aga iwe ya da na mama mi na ede gbede variable give variable give okebi podo de na ni bo ti December eyi ma nwa ni afo o ìmọ̀ náà máa ẹ̀rín ya fẹ́ bá ń ṣe àkókò máa ń ṣe bí ní à èmi ní àyàwó ẹ̀wùn náà ní àwọ̀ ẹ̀yìn máa ń dẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀fì ọ̀dún yà wàkó ẹ̀hẹ̀ dùn ní zẹ́nà òkó wàkó ẹ̀hẹ̀ mẹ́ta náà máa ń dẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀fì ọ̀dún yà ọgọ́ ẹ̀ ní àṣẹ ní ẹ̀yà gbé ṣá ní ẹ̀yà orí ìwé náà ní orí obìnrin ní abẹ́ màlágbọ́n ní abẹ́ abẹ́ obìnrin ní abẹ́ mùsọ́bí ní àhó òkó èmi yẹwé máa sọ níyà. When your varo, your twero, your severo, to be able wedo, to be doing wedo, to be such wedo. Like I mean, my video. I don't get by we don't boy or Ghana. Reverend Dr. Muhammad Asun. The Dovano, Wokun. The Reverend Dr. Muhammad Asun, I tell Wokun. I your one gear. While they get them, why we make him maybe, man. Maybe I will hear one gear, Abadasun. About where the one has, sir. The matter no way, my time, wow. I want to pay having a winner. I want to pay having a mammy, your mammy, yeah, it's one key do. Go ahead, yeah. I want to fair on you don't winner. We don't do. Oh, when winner, no, like you don't do. I tire them. Ataobo ataowe wakuyo oganiru na yaso no nyama salubadun dazi we see e de na eduki mane do mare masikoko manga we do we wina we do na we na ibude no ogede na ibude oge ohunsa. So everybody now, my man, pass a yodon, Lima. We feel enjoyment in my attire. No get la my hall, no get la Mario. My knew with that one. Even in Matana, my own under your body, we do name and winner. My own under your body, we do name and know. A pair my kid, I can't carry a day. Egg, I mean, we do not come in my home. So don't boil a whole. Egg, I mean, we do not come in my home. Oh, when I put on the when I put there, will piece a game. I saw look at with my man. The Ghanaian attorney, my man. Salabala, oh, Sivia do Coco. The house Sivia do Coco, near the way winner. Near the be winner. My view in a young winner near. la wo na no da evi na na wo na we saloba no wo egi mana gbon fear with the imabo egi mana gbon igwe abo imabo egi mana gbon yo ota we ota ni yekiri ai wa egi mana gbon ti le wa egi mana gbon you no pa basic kan yo la wo saloba e ba ke ma ga no adegbo de no west e na da si ara ma wo bi ahun dere o saloba no go bi ahun dere o ne una mamu bona no make na ma e wana we na yo bona na make na yo bonia saloba la ho be ni Jesus Christ no nyama se oge do wa ma o oge do wa vun yo o se wa ya bu kan o ya so bo yugie oge de na o ma ye ebuta ma ye buta ma do ye do ta ne abi bi ma e mon ma biele ni abi ga ho ni abi ga we emi na wa oge da ba ka ni ma ga we ni ma ga mi an gbon ya yo today we come again to pastoral counseling. Last Wednesday we dealt with pastoral counseling on the topic was grief and loss. Last Wednesday we did part 1. Today we are doing part 2, grief and loss. Last Wednesday we defined what grief is. We defined what loss is. And we said that grief and loss are realities in life. There is nobody who does not lose one time or another. We don't all gain all through life. Someday you lose something. Some students they will fail an exam in school, and that's a loss. And they'll be grieving over it. They are sorrowful about it. They thought they would pass, but they didn't pass. Some people do business, and the business didn't work for them. Maybe they borrowed money to do the business. So the business collapsed, and the money got lost. They grieve over it. Some other people, they have relatives, old father, old mother, grandfather, grandmother, or whatever. And the person becomes sick, and the person may die. When the person dies, the people are thrown into grief concerning the person who died. Some people are still alive, but they are ill. They are so sick that they don't know whether they will live. Then they are grieving, they grieve over it. They wonder why this is happening to them. Grieving is a part of life. Go. Grief is a part of life. It's a reality in life. So we want to learn about it, and we want to know how to deal with it. So we defined all that last week. So today we are coming to continue from where we stopped. Today we'll deal with how to cope with grief. Today we'll deal with how to counsel people who are in grief, and so on and so forth. Stay with us, and you will enjoy it. And this is something we cannot learn for ourselves alone. We are going to share it with other people so that they too might be blessed. God bless you all. Amen. Ibude ayé náà o. Ibude ọgẹ́ òhun sá. Ibude ọgẹ́ òhun ògé òhun sá. Ibude ọgẹ́ dẹ̀nẹ̀. Ibude ọgẹ́ dẹ̀nẹ̀. Odekun kebe akie. Odekun kebe akie. Patu. Nupo giva. Odekun kebe akie nupo giva. Uzola non gbera. Makado Gonka, O de Kunki Wakia, Bivana. Only Naga a papa no cow. If papa no pogeva, every another ta. Nunda mama setting time for the yo. Evo de Kunki Wakia. Elge Dopa, or she don't know would over you. O de Kunki Wakia, even no ragmona, no. Very matter that you, I mean, one ever knew de Kun. I will know one and be here. Agbon ya iwa koko mi Dopa. Oge na. Ebangbon no, Ebangbon ni gogo. To lo kyoki. O de Kuragbon. Akebi ragbon. Bena na ye be yoka ke na ru be na ya gbegbe he. Bena ya setting lad do he. Man na to e de yo kido de kunlare ugbenso ewe omono Yesu ku o e dan na wu o ma agbera ogba ma gbe fun na odo akia ugbenso e ba so do aki omo mi o ya do aki kini mai mo hu igo gbe odo akia ugbenso e ro ma wi jo yan fiya oni do akia ugbenso o do akwo mi ni na kwo mi ni ma di yan ka fi odo akia very only odekun agbon amaroi only odekun agbon odekun e o shakie akie bodekun owara agbon na eri mata aderio na ima here with the way that no ikeribo ewe odekun agre ba ila he odekun agre na isunu wa ila he odekun agre ba ayala dia he bo he kebewe ibude na die no wa bo wa re akie ibude na die no wa no ira ke be no ya ti luwa ke ni gbera he ma do tana wa ti e bo ya ro ti tenri ti o se ri ti jere wo ni atuta ni ada ho se ya wa ga wo ge de na ne abi ata mo abi he na mi wi ma mi ya yin wa gbon fun da bo abi on na mi So we move on to the grief process. The grief process. In psychology, we learn that the grief has a process. Grief has a process. Grief is not straightforward. It goes in cycle like this. When people are grieving, they pass through a process. It's not something that comes and goes like that. Sometimes people make mistakes. They think that grief comes and goes. No, it does not come and go. Grief comes and it tries to stay. When grief comes, it doesn't go like that. It tries to stay. There is a process it passes through. And that process must be properly channeled, must be properly gone through, so that the grief will go. And when it goes forever. It is not going to come back. But some people, they don't know that grief has to pass through its process. When grief comes, they want to dismiss it right away. When grief comes, they want to cut it short. When they are in grief, they want to manage through it. And by doing so, they make the grief longer and longer and longer. It does not finish. Hello. By doing so, grief does not finish. It becomes longer and longer. That is why you see some people, when they have a loss, whether it's about business or whether it's about their grandfather or a relative, that loss, they stay in it for a long time. They grieve and grieve and grieve and grieve and grieve and grieve. The grieving doesn't stop. The reason is that at the time of grieving, they didn't allow the grief to pass through the right way. Grief must be properly channeled, must be properly processed. That is why I told you the other day, I came today, and that the other day and today, to identify with people who are grieving. I told you. That's why I have this black beret, That's why I wore this black shirt, so that we may identify with people who are grieving. So we want to tell them that it's a reality when we cannot rush through it. Okay? So today, we go through the process. The process is called Dabda. What did I say it's called? Dabda. D-A-B-D-A. It's a model of grieving process. It was postulated by one Professor Kubler-Ross. Professor Kubler-Ross. He made this model. He was a professor in the University of Chicago. And the model has become very popular because it works. It's very good. It's very true. So that process is called Dabda. Every letter here has a meaning. Look at it. D-A-B-D-A has a meaning. Look at it. D, the first D here stands for denial. Denial. What does that mean? When somebody has a loss, the first thing that he tries to do is to deny. So impossible. You see it? He said, what? What did you just say? All that money is gone? Oh, no, impossible. You see, he denies. He knows it's gone, but he tries to deny that it cannot happen. If you hear about an accident that is very serious, you say, no! Or something that happens to some people, somebody will say, hey, no! That is denial. It happens to everybody. You say, sure? Really? You say you lost your father or lost your grandmother. Oh, no! That is denial. The first reaction is denial. When people have serious grief, serious loss, they deny at first, that moment. The denial, every one of these ones can last for a certain amount of duration of time. It depends on the occasion, depends on the circumstance, it depends on the individual. But first of all, they deny. Say, no, it can't happen. Oh, don't tell me. Don't say it again. That's denial. Number two, there is an A, and the A stands for anger. Anger. When people have losses, serious losses, they are going to go through grieving. Then the second thing is that after they have denied, they've become angry and say, what? What did it happen? Why should such a thing happen to me? Oh no, why me? Why now? No, don't say it again. Be careful of who is saying that in there. Don't believe it happened. See, that's anger. Anger. In Shakespeare, Macbeth the king said, no, it cannot happen. Get ready for war. I put my armor on. Anybody talks about fear, hang him out. Hang him up. Hang him up. I'll fight. He was angry. So people they still angry when they have a loss. When they have a loss. Somebody will start to talk about it, they push the person away. What are you talking about? Oh, that's the second thing. After that, the third thing, they enter a process, another process. Part of the process will be bargaining. Bargaining. That's the B there. Bargaining. That means, is it true? So this is true. They begin to bargain to be able to hear it. They bargain to understand it. Hey, you see it's in the paper. Oh, come on, see it's in Daily Times. Eh? Oh, cool. I thought it was a lie. They are bargaining to be able to deal with the situation. So they begin to process it. They thought it can never happen. They thought they can be angry and forget about it. They say, oh, cool. Let me hear it again. Let me read the paper. Bring the paper. Or come and listen to the television. Come and listen to Yeah, listen now. Listen, let's hear. Keep quiet. Let's hear. They are bargaining. That may last for a whole day. They are trying to listen and try to know what is going on. After they are bargained, then they become depressed. Depression. When they are bargaining and they know that it's now true, they are depressed. Woo! Then they cry. Then they hiss. Then they are sorrowful. You ask them to eat, they say they won't eat. You ask them to go to bed, they say no. Then they cross their feet. Then they are shaking their finger. They are shaking their foot. Back. They are depressed. They grieve like that. It may be a whole day, maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days, maybe a whole week. They are depressed. They are not listening to people at all. They cry. Like I said, each one of these things takes its own time and toll, depending on who you are and where you are, and the time may happen. But depression will follow. Some people allow that depression to last for a whole year. Some people allow it to last for more than a year. You know what I mean? When it's serious, it's serious. They can't help it. They continue to be depressed. They continue to be depressed. Anytime you see them, they say, You see them next year, they still say, Depression. That can last for some long time. For some people, it lasts for some years. They can't get over it. The last one is A. The A here is acceptance. Acceptance. After they have doubted, they denied, they were angry, then they bargained, and they have been depressed for some time. At the end of the process is acceptance. Acceptance means it will come to a point where they will say, it's okay. It's okay. I give all to God. There's something I can do. If it is a case of the person died, they say, okay, he has died, he's not coming back. It's okay. There's one very important example in the Bible. It's about King David. King David in the Bible. So it happened that King David, I mentioned it the other day, King David had a son. He got that son out of wedlock. And the son was sick and the son died. When the son was sick, David, he prayed, he fasted, he put ashes on his head. Okay? So that the son may be spared, he may live. So later on, the son died. After the son died, they told David his son died. Oh Lord. He wept, he cried, he was depressed. He didn't know how to handle it. But later, he got over it. When he got over it, people counted him, people talked to him, then he accepted it. He said, okay. He got up, he took a shower, he took a bath. Then he said they should give him food to eat. They gave him food to eat. He washed off all the ashes and so on his head. He used to lie on the floor. He got up. Then they were going around and they were wondering how this thing happened. He had been crying, but now he said he's somebody crying. So they asked him. Then he said, yes. When the boy was sick, I prayed, I fasted, I laid on the floor, but now he's dead. I can't bring him back. So give him food to eat. So they gave him food to eat. He accepted the situation. That's for King David. Acceptance. So with all of us, if grief is properly channeled through this processes, you see, the time will come when the person will be able to accept it. But if it is not processed properly, then some people want to go from 1 to number 4, number 5, from number 1 to number 3, or to 3 to 5. No. It does not happen like that. It's not the magic. I think we get the point. So when that happens, we say the person heals. In counseling psychology, we say the person has healed. There's a difference between heal and cure. It's not that the person was cured. No, he healed. When he heals properly. He will not remember this thing again. Maybe a year time, maybe 6 months time. It depends as the case may be. I pray that all people who are grieving may be able to heal. In Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Padà où vient Akie? Où vient Akie? Akie ben on vient non là. Ọmọ muhe, ọmọ fome, ọmọ dese. Akie ware bigidi. Don't be fo bigidi. Oh, eri bank pay. Akie ware nang pay bere zigi. Ofodo. Eri. Oh, lega. Akedo soup boy. Ọmọ muhe, ọmọ boy. Akie agadiege no ya le o de no ke no la akie o me no ya fo o ga fo o de o fo o wa ni no kie egbe ira o ga no kie o do aye me do kayi o ni no kie o izagwawa de ya makwe na kie le ke no ke no la akie efo wo na mi maso èmi no sunu ga gboda po na oni ye ta ete mo we ugban so de era ofija o pe va pe ha oni ye ta eri esin aye won oni weta eri osin aye won ye mai me eri mai me yin tunda ke ni man le ki don ke no la e oba na fo go vient dans là au rakie goye no ka o asien ege ne ni aya sunu ni ana ta mo re mi ni sunu ni o ka wa sien we oge no do oge no de ri ge o wi we oge no igi e ba wi ai oge wata oge igi everybody o ta ya ba kun kai ora gbo ora mo bogbe ran bo bogbe agbon ya le gbegbe oni asien de ra wo we ori an wo umia akasien ebi re se ti so no boy so do o wa gie wa gie oni o ka o no boge la ọ̀rọ̀ náà mi ò dẹkùn ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣẹ̀nà òhù wàrí ó wẹ̀ bọ́sẹ̀ náà mi rẹ̀ sunu yẹn wọ́n náà pẹ́ dọ̀ sunu rẹ̀ fídíò bọ́sẹ̀ wọ́n náà wọ̀ náà fídíò wọ́n gẹ́mẹ́ wọ́n gbẹ́lájẹ́ mọ́ ìyá mi ọwọ́ àmúhù ọ̀rọ̀ náà sì kọ́ ìgbẹ̀gẹ́ náà wọ́n má rọ̀ wọn àwọn mi bìrì gbé ìgbẹ́ gbàdìyà mọ́ gbẹ̀ lórí ọ̀wá ni ẹ̀yàn ṣẹ́ o ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀gẹ́ ni òhù ọ̀ ìwà mú yẹn bíbí náà ń sùn yẹn ó sì máa ń sùn lókè bàbá yìí ẹ wọ́n bá ní agbọ̀nyà la ẹ ní níbi agbọ̀nyà wo òwú rè ọ̀gẹ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀ gbọ̀ yóò gbọ̀dé gbọ́n só agbọ̀nyà ọ̀pá o even so no why the whole wire where was sien wo what time na set to no esu no even so no wa bohu na o wa ye pe the whole move but say pe dey ha ohu ni o ye for my phone no what get no poge ha o ni ge you o ge do yo na o do me like easy you bageni hiyo de oku even na how you want to know gele go even deletan don't know ya ta television na agwen ho oku mete izoge no izoge ki mata wade mata gele no ebe ndị ụtụtụ otu meghị bịa awọ na ahụ ịdọba na ya ịchọ na ma wabure wagabụ ya yo wadiyo bare o arịba ya tie otelere ya tie nínú ọmọ kogbori ya tie nínú ọmọ dị kekiri wagabụ na awọ he wabụ ya yo uwabia arịba ni motori gani do azio bi na ya kia o wa iye na aya ti yo huto na o do azio o ni onukpo gi a ugbonso wa ye ewede ha azio o ye the whole zio awu na ba so do buya yo de we bo na wo do buya aka we di obedi o gba azio agwa le bi na ya yiwe he aga ezio da gave ni am yo to na adola nupo gene o izin egbe aga mi to na ododo oni dodo egwo igo ni agere wa wo yo agun so o wa ni gele wa wo yo ogun so imuna ni wa gele ni wa mi egele memuna odo kio bore o achia odo avie agbo don si egbe ogele do zi egbe o te gbo yo gbori o te tu lase o te dati ebo ekodore odo tuta odo gba okoto odo zi egbe ndabo na miere egbe azi oni eti wale okiho oti waluki ha oti lupo oti luki upe ba oye ta then you go don all the ta wetin me go don so the no ka wi ni among for fo ono ye ta dere ofi ya me la no fi ya ni fo owi yan pa ike ye wa yo God, brother, this is our cause. Is that young brother? Me, you don't feel your how. But so you go don't we are how. Of course, I think we, I will come where if never be a husband. Obey or power when you're home. Nobody can, home. Obi zegbe owi ehon amefe ya alade ma wo so no ko gina ore iwo ni dupe o yawe o dupe fa yawe o kekira ire odo mi ekwe odo bi oboda dukun we o ma herio egani iyen yi mi ekwe obi na ogele sunu ne ye mama ni awe he run do ni Oma kerio. Na to kakpa ọba David ogie no obi na akọrin ọna lùbẹ yóò tọ ọna zẹmọ ihu ọna nẹru ọna gbawẹ obi ewu ya ìtàmà ọna sien ọna mohu ọna ziyu ọna zẹgbẹ àìsèkọdà wẹni asámẹ nìyẹn ọna pàgbẹ lóbi ọna sámẹ ọna hùwẹ sẹsẹsẹ ọyẹkùwẹ ọna wẹni àti ìbáyẹ nìyẹn ẹyẹ náà ti ìbáyẹ nìyẹn ẹyẹ náà yà nọ wẹ yìí oge ebe ni wẹ yà wẹ ni wà wà nọ bọ yẹ náà àwọn ọdún dé báyìí ní kẹlẹ adégun wọn yìí báwo ọmọ ewu ní ẹ báwo ẹdún dé báyìí náà wẹ yà ẹkẹ ẹdún máa ewu yẹn ká anẹfún yẹn lóbi ẹyọ tọ nẹgẹ ewu gbẹmọ wáyé ewu náà ìyá máa yẹ tí mo gbèrègbèrè ọmọ kẹrì ọ náà wọn ní àti ìbáyìí nìyẹn náà ti báyìí náà rí ọ èyí máa so ní kékeré náà nàkàná ọmọ kẹrì ọ ìyẹn ṣe ti ń ṣe wá ló wá kí ẹ yẹn wà á rọ ìdí gbé ẹgbẹ pẹrọ ní ẹyà ká ọmọ kiri ọ ọkẹkẹ ni màá yára ká gbọ ọmọ kiri ọ àgbà ìlànà mi náà ọkẹkẹ náà láì òkèkè àrẹ wọ ọmọ kiri ọ ẹ wọ bú àgbọn náà sọrọ bú àgbọn náà èmi kẹyìn náà ní sùnú wúwèrè ẹ ìbéèrè ọwẹ ọwọn ẹyẹ ní sùnú rè ẹyẹ ìrànà rọ ha. Anyway, why do watch anything? Who wants the where we where we like better? Where we do our bodonpa. Well, you want to be where I can where we do where we did. Babia. Coping with grief. Coping with grief. We said grief is a reality. When it has come, how do you cope with it? How do you cope with it? There are ways of coping with grief. Not one, not two, not three. You have to cope. I mean, you can't just collapse, you can't just die in your grief. No. You need to find a way to equip yourself so that you can cope with the grief. Look at it. Number one, talking it out. Talking it out. When you are thrown into grief, you have to learn to talk it out. Don't bottle it in your mind, in your stomach. No. You have to open your mouth to be able to talk it out. And there are people you can talk it out to, who will not misunderstand you, who will not laugh at you, but who will understand and they will sympathize with you. For example, your family members. When your family members come around when you are grieving, talk it out with them. Yeah? So how did this thing happen? Do you know about it? You read the paper? Okay, you read the paper. They said, so that's how. Oh, my goodness. Or how did the money get lost? They said it was a thief. It was burglary or whatever. Oh, wicked people. Talk it out. The way you hear it, the way you understand it. Don't bottle it up in your mind. Whatever they are saying, you say, They tell the story. There is no. You have to open up your mouth and say something. Is that so? So they stole the money. Or they stole the assistant. They didn't see the other car. So they allowed the car to collide like that. Talk it out. Number two, seek counsel. Seek counsel. Look for people, counselor who will counsel you. People who are professionals, they know how to deal with this grieving situation. Don't say you know it all. Don't say what's he going to say. Don't say that. Because we know people who say things like, what is he going to tell me? It's not true. That counselor, or everything is going to say, there might be one sentence that is going to be very meaningful for you. And then you look at him or her and say, oh. Even just says one sentence. Seek for a counselor. You can be an old man. You know what I mean? It can be a relative. It can be a friend. Take your phone and call your friend to cancel you. At the time you are in grief, you cannot cancel yourself. Even if you know the answer, it will not be meaningful. Your mind will not go there at that time. The other person who is going to talk to you will be the one who will tell you what you already know. Then what you already know will make meaning to you. You see, seek counsel. Number 3, read poetry. Read poetry. Read some books. Some books are in poetry. Not every book is in poetry. Look at this book. Edo's are one. It's written in poetry. See them? Edo's are one. A poetical narrative of Edo common identity. It's a poetical narrative of Edo common identity. The poetry, they have a way of sinking into your mind. They have a way of sinking into your mind. When you read them, they make different meaning from what is written in the Daily Times or what is written in biological or whatever textbook. It's a poetry. Look at it. Those were one in origin. They are yet one in diversity. Definitely behold their genesis, that the those came out of one quiver. There was a center from where they rallied. Expanded became because of no boundaries. A people, a special, direct descendants from the Creator, the kindred of Feteri Royal line. Ogiso, king sent from Esedi skies. Ogiso dynasty, 4 years of 31 kings. So Edo creation story affirmed. Eweka dynasty, the royal line continued. 38 ruling lovers, the counting continues. You see, poetry, it has a way of speaking to people's minds, especially in time of grief. The way what you call syllables, the way they rhyme, it becomes rhythmical. Pick up something like that and read for yourself. Social activities. Join a social activity. Go out and join social activity. Whatever your base or whatever is going on. You hear that they are playing football somewhere, or there's a dance band going somewhere. Go and look. You see, when you are looking, you see people say, yeah. See people clapping. Your spirit will be lifted. Your spirit will be lifted. Don't say, you will be inside the room. You lock up yourself in the room every day, every week, every month. Don't go and die in the room. You hear me? Join social activity. It doesn't mean that you are not grieving. No. You are trying to come out of the grief. Social activity. So when they are doing symposium, go and join and listen. When they are dancing, go and see how people dance. Number 5, exercise. Exercise. Don't sit in one place dull. You eat, you sit down. You drink, you sit down. No, get up and walk. Get up and walk around. Exercise yourself. You know what I mean? We don't say, that doesn't mean you are jumping up and down. It doesn't mean people will think that they don't know what they are talking about. When you exercise yourself, all this grief and so anger, they come out of you. They come out. They come out through the breath. When you are breathing, all the grief we are talking about, they come out. They ventilate. You hear me? Exercise. Seek for spiritual support. Spiritual support. That means those people who are your leaders in the church or your mosque or your religion. Go and meet them. and talk to them about what has happened to you. And they will explain to you, they will tell you how God has created this world. Oh. They will tell you that everybody gets something one time. They will tell you that what goes around comes around, and what comes around goes around. They will tell you that you're not the first. They will show you the story of Job. They will pray for you. When they pray for you, they cast away the demons. Then you feel better. You open your eyes and say, thank God. You yourself will say, thank you, sir. Thank you, man. They will give you anointing oil. Put anointing oil in your head. They give you the sign of the cross. They tell you, this is the last time any evil will come near you. Then you are happy. Then you are grateful. Seek spiritual support. Go to group support. Group support. We don't have this in our Edo culture. But in Igbo culture, they have what they call group support. People who have suffered the same kind of thing, they get together, form a group. And then they talk about the things. They talk about how painful it is, how bad it is, and how to come out of it. But we don't do that in our culture. However, it's very helpful. Number 8, you play music. You play music. If you know how to play piano, go and play some. Or you can play with your wife. You know, play some music with your wife who played it before. Then you shake your head. When you shake your head after listening to the music, you feel better. You feel better. Play some music. Really grieve. Really grieve. While you're passing through all this, find some time to grieve properly, the way you want to grieve. If you want to cry out, cry out. You hear me? Nobody should tell you not to grieve. Oh. And we always say that we tell the person, say, no, okay, don't grieve. That is not true at all, at all. Find some time to grieve. If you want to cry aloud, go to a place where there's nobody. Maybe by the riverside or by your farm. And cry out and say, oh, cry as much as you can cry. When you finish crying, get water and wash your face. Get water and wash your face. You will feel better. The load in your heart, in your mind, you pour it out. You grieve as you want to grieve. And at the end, be patient with yourself. Be patient with yourself. People will tell you to hurry up, hurry up. That's enough. It's how many days? Don't listen. Be patient with yourself. If your mind is still heavy, stay and grieve. You see it? Okay, don't try to get up and say, I'm a man. I cannot be sitting like this for 2 days. And no, they work waiting for me. Everything has its own time. A time for every purpose under the heavens. That's what the Bible says. Vale akie. Oh, we don't like here. I like we don't get it. A man like say efo. Tyler dia. Oni o ka wo Tyler dia. Be mi no sunu ni u ta. Be dia wo ya sunu. O to no. O se we no o no sike we. wawe bata ekun en yuwe ko awe na ma gba mo ni o awe na wa ule mu gbe idun na wala wala o ta be no ho dege odekun moto don so awu we bi ni moto awu to wa en ho ìyàwó ọba ti ń ládìláàdìá yìí ní ẹ̀dá ládìláàdìá náà rẹ̀ ọtí máa náà òwúrọ̀ àwọn náà yìí ọ̀sọ̀ àbọ̀ sí mi ẹ̀ wúwo ta déédéé ìyẹn náà kó a ọ̀fi ìyàwó ìyẹn náà kó a ọtí àásì wọn ògbẹ́nsó àdìbà náà bèèrè gbèsò yàrá kí wọn náà rọ̀ wọ́n bókíà wúwo ta wúwo àlàdìá wọ́n náà rú ọ̀fíà wọ́n gwalẹ̀. Obude nukwoge bagwala obude ami ọ̀nà ya gwala obude ọtí nga ayọ ká gbẹwẹ ọtí nga ayọ ìlànà ọkwa ọtí nga ayọ n'ọkwa ọtí nga ayọ ọjọ wèé ó gwala ọ̀nà ọbù ọdẹ nda wee agba oge mi sunu gwe wà n'aka wee wútagbọn ya wafu ọmafọ wútagbọn ya mafu yeye ó gwala ọ̀nà ẹsẹwẹ ẹ ka wú ya david ọmọ dị ataba wẹ ẹ dẹdẹ tàwé dọ yeye. Wọ́n ní ìdògbò odòdó tábà àwọn ẹ̀rí nàní jẹ́ ẹ̀. Ọdún tábà àwọn ẹ̀rí náà wọ́n àtàyà fẹ́ ọdọ mìíràn ní ẹ̀rọ ń ta nù wàrúwẹ̀ ọ wà mìíràn náà mìíràn tágbọ̀n kí ẹ̀rọ akọ mìíràn dọ́gba yí ẹ̀rọ ń ta. Yóò tà kiri nù. Àkí ẹ̀ mìíràn náà mìíràn. Gbalọ́bùdè. Dúpọ̀ gé ha. Tí ebe ọ̀rẹ́ kàrà. Tí ebe ọ̀rẹ́ kàrà. Daily Times ká o. Ebe ọ̀rẹ́ kàrà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ebe náà yẹ. Ebe kara na ge na no bia ga wa gbe e kara be e kara o me be na ya gbon he o me be na be no ya de he ati o me na ya la ma o fi he mo na be ba me o me na ya la ma fi he o do yo o fi won de ye kwere Wonder, boy, have money. Oh, boy, have money. You don't hear Doug at all. Ọpẹ́ dòkí mo mú hẹ́ gàdé. Ọpẹ́ àyè mi kí mo gùn gà. Ẹ̀kọ́ gba oko tọ́gù mú hàn yíyà. Ike ẹ̀gàn pa ẹ̀dọ́ ya ké làdíà. Ihe àmàdésẹ̀ ní anára ṣe kà. Ihe akéde òbẹ̀ fún ìdá yẹn ẹ̀wọ̀n wù. Èèmọ̀ pàtàkì n'ọ́kẹ́ gba òsànà yìí rẹ̀. Ebi èsè ọ̀gì bí ògì. Ògì so ògì n'ọ́kẹ́ ìṣònòrò rẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ògì so níkà o. Igi ọ̀pá yàn ọgbà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni òkè dò ó ka ẹ̀ owó mú hẹ́. Káyé. Wọ́n ní ọ̀rẹ́ wẹ̀ka. Wọ́n fi ẹni igi ọ̀yẹ̀ tán kí à. Ọba iye bari igi nẹ̀ tá ẹ̀yẹ tán kí à. Wọ́n bí ẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ya dé ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀yẹ̀ ìwọ̀n. Ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀kadọ́kadé. Ọ̀dọ̀ alárìàn. Wọ́n ti gbégbé lórí ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ya. Ọ̀sẹ̀ mi yẹ ọ̀rẹ́ ya ṣe ọ̀fúnrẹ́ yọ̀mọ̀ òfin rẹ̀. N'oge náà. Garie oye ekwe egbe yiwo wa ye kenye na ku obi akia oya mu dia no ya wa be kenye na gbe ebe owo ike bu obi akia oya gbe ni agbe wo do ge bo ya bi popo kwa awu we ma popo gbe bi kiyan e kenye na ku do ni e to awu de ba ya ku so ku obi aguwe ekwe egbe yiwo wa uzo na ho ukiho ugbo iya ẹ̀yàwó yíwó wa. Sàṣẹgbé ọ́nìdìí mà nùwẹ́ tó tà àkọ́pá sàṣẹgbé wa bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ẹni yóò kàn rí kí ẹni lẹ́gà wá bẹ́ẹ̀ yí kẹ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀kẹ́ wẹ́ yà wẹ́ sàṣẹgbé wẹ́ ìrẹ́ kúrò ayọ̀ fùẹ̀fùẹ̀ mami nù náà yọ̀ ọ́ nìyí. Ave akie ni o yan kwa ekun iwe ko re we ga akie ni wa yan fuen o yan kwa o we sa se gbe we o he gwa o he gwa o he so si we o he mo le we Ugbezo he bowe. Ugwegwa. Nugebu ode. Odo tama ebi ne magbona ye. Odo tama ye ami on emie. To gba aye agbe wa mi upa. Ebe no tama won. Obe nedu nu e. Do we so si don. Obe yo wo. Obe do fiamu gbogbo e wo sare ba Jesu nu e. Obe do nedu nu na mi tanga isu nu gbe. Osun we do so to. Mami e. Yo don. Uwe deba otu. Oga here. Deba to here. Amioni for tema. Ewe ba na amioni. Awa emi otu no ka we the back e video gbera. Ni ya tu bunja yen do ya tu da yen do agwa kan. We deba gbotu video. Awe ya agwa kan yere bu ma so pa otu ni wa we ma. Da ho ihwan. Ihwan na pe na. Egyo na pe na u da ho e u give don dey here. You ya dey e bu wo rion odo la wo rion. Where is it? Where do I go? Where could I go? Bigger well, one in the sorry. Where would I go? Where do I go? Oh, who yo? Oh, you oh, yeah, Tommy. Don't you catch a bubble over with a waggle who don't die again? Ah, bo, Sally. Look at the Agake, Adupo, Ponso, Userio. Why damn one of your way to Tom? Takabaki, S7, then I can, I would not hear. Who will hear when we look here? Dave, you are so one. Viagan, Adia ke no mara pa ye no make na so la dia. O da lo du gbodo e bi no. O we we dio. O ri won o do ye he. We samu ya pa o. O do bien we la dia wo aken. No keke. Uri e ko. E ya ki e wu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ìfẹ́ kó ẹ̀ wò yáre ó ìfẹ́ kó ìmọ̀ sọ kàmá olùpàgbé kà ẹ̀mí náà di àdé ìyẹ̀ ìbáraẹni màmá yúgbò ẹ̀ màdìẹ́kì o ní àkíyàn wọ́n ní àkíyàn wò ìfẹ́ kó di ẹ̀gẹ́. This is the last part. Counselor. How do you deal with people who are grieving? You are a brother, a sister, or a friend. When people are grieving around you, you are the counselor. You are the one who's supposed to help them. How do you help them? Look at it. Number one, be a good listener. Be a good listener. When you go to the place where somebody is grieving, sit down and listen. Listen to what the person is saying. Don't begin to say your own. At that time, let him speak. Let us speak. Be a good listener. People who are grieving, they want people who will listen to them. And when you are talking when they are talking, you are not listening. Be a good listener. When you listen, then they believe you have heard. If you want them to know that you have heard, you come back and say some of the things they said. Ask about their feelings. Ask about their feelings. You come and say some of the things they said, so they will know that you listen to them. This is true. So they allow that thing to just bang like that. Then they know that you heard them what they said. They almost caught him. He is also, so he jumped over the fence. I can see now. That means you listen to the person. Then you will ask about the person's feelings. So what do you think about that? You think the person will go free? You don't go free. If the police doesn't catch him, God will catch him. Ask about his feelings. Then he will say, he has done. What can I do? They say, well, God has a way of judging evil, wicked people. You wait. Then just sit down. Wait. Just sit down and wait at them. Just sit down. Just sitting down by somebody who's grieving is important. Sit down. Just sit down there. Spend 1 hour, spend 2 hours, spend 3 hours, as the case may be. Don't begin to walk up and down. It's like you're not really there. You're in a hurry. Sit down. Sit down as if you don't have anything important to you anymore apart from this one. Then the person will see that you are with him in your heart in grief. Share your loss. Share your loss. You had a loss sometime in the past. There's somebody who doesn't have a loss. And when you want to talk to the person, share with him that you already had a loss also. When your father died 10 years ago, or when your mother died last year. See what I mean? When you borrowed money and whatever happened, share your loss with the person and ask the person about their own. Ask about their own tears. Ask about their own losses. After you say your own, ask about his own and let him verbalize. Let her say it herself, the way she says it. So you are sharing. You and the person who is grieving, you have shared the thing, and that person feels better. That you are sharing his or her own loss. Acknowledge pain. Acknowledge pain means you have to acknowledge that there is pain. He's passing through pain. Don't try to wile it off. Don't try to ignore it. When the person is sharing pain, acknowledge the pain. Say, oh my God. Oh man. Oh, this is serious. How bad? Acknowledge that there is pain that the person is passing through. I can see what you mean. Acknowledge that there's pain. Don't begin to say, well, it has happened. Oh. Allow for sadness. So when the person is grieving and is crying, let him cry. Let her cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. We used to say that. We Edo people. We used to say to people, don't cry. You be a man and be strong. No. Allow the person to grieve. Allow the person to cry. Allow the person to be sad. The person is crying. Just let the person cry. Give time. Then the tears will come out. So far, he doesn't knock his head against the wall. Allow for sadness. Come again and again. When you go to somebody who is grieving, let that not be it can be the first time, but let it not be the last time. Get ready to come back. Let the person know that you are committed to staying with him or her. So that time you came should not be the last time. Come again and spend some time with the person. But the person who is grieving, one time visit is not enough. Don't minimize anything. Don't seem to tell the person that this is not serious. You have to understand that it is serious with him or how. Don't minimize anything. Oh yeah, I can see. Oh, this is serious, man. How are you going to be able to pass through this? I don't know how we're going to be able to do this. So, this is a serious thing. About here, when I at work, where your Bude or Bude waking. Oh, cracking, oh, cooking, were Bude. Well, it's about when not Bude, I say, why I lie. Look out. Who die ho, SS7? Die ho, SS. Oh, one no here. Oh, while I want to near Gugun, no die ho. So, where else about Ugly die ho? Where they are, the Guami Agua, oh, the again that one. Or it told them wicked one. Any one where I told you when you're yo. Get him no water. Wicked in water. It must have been a time where we take the bitters of mine. Near making a who were heaven anywhere in a tamawe. I know what I'm with you with Mamma Palu. Only my mother, huh? No, forgive her. Who know I have on here? No, I have on here. But so we do, I want to talk about why we not on your time. We go here. Kuyo. The way when you okay, Tiger and working. You didn't hear my dying book with a bone. Or talking and working to work. Who are Kotota? Or so one of your wife a Kotota. I'm on Jagan up here. Every boy, what to take? They ought to tell you where we to. They about to tell you where we to tell you back. Don't want to tell you where we to. Where Bekusoto. Who the man gave from down? Tota care. Who no yeah? Oh yeah, better yeah. Where we talk where we talk where we no yeah, better yeah. Where bag one. Where we talk where again you na figure. Better yeah. Oh, but so again you na do anya fa ugbo. Where we talk where yeah we talk where we no yeah we no get yeah. Nye na where we no yeah we no. Wopa wa talo nye mangwang mari ke don agwa iya be gong we nu te wan e yo no mo be la yo u gwetwe obalo yo di ka we u we di ma we o e don bali eni o be balo wo be don tu we e no no de ti eni we o be don tu we Iwe mi o ba lo. Anyway, o wa na gele yen o ba lo yen waye na. Iwe mi o ba lo. O se ben me. Ona ene kwe. O gwo ni tu ba lo. Anyway, o ma ba ya we. O for the I have a who balo. We give ye. What's it going on? You're not here. I come on, give ye. Who gave you as a baby boy? I maybe not mean all the color. And answer to Akpa to give ye. Like a man, with my time, oh, cracking. Give my water. Oh. You know, via dege moruto. Ye were be ade, we ye bere. No na re na ege ya ofo won. Wa be to na video wa. O be pekere na wo de be ade. Aya to wa no hie. Ege ya o to pa kan kan. Ege ya eva kan. De be you were be you ye were be. Ye ge ni o re ya na ya we o me emi e bo ogui o me won. Emi oru ofio. Ẹnu rẹ pa yọ ni zẹsẹ wẹ o yo sábà bẹrẹ yo ìyá wèrèwèrè o kẹtì lẹwà èmi lọ sọnù dà ọmọ náà nọ kìí ẹyí náà ẹtì lẹwà ẹyà ó ti lẹwà ẹyọ yìí náà ẹyẹ mẹtì lẹwà bẹẹ ìyá ẹ nà kébi bọyà ìyá ẹ wọpá yàrá yà ìyá ẹ ọkì sọnù dẹ gbẹgbẹ ya abi kini ya ede gbogbo ya su etilewa ma esu nugo ma na de ologo ma ni ye na ya utilewa ayi nu tilewa o pe mi na osu nugo bi re na ri ma ta so e na o ọmọ àmì òdìkún náà mi àkẹ́ nàdẹ́gẹ̀ ìdá yà láhẹ̀ àríẹ̀gẹ́ nẹ àìtẹ̀mẹ̀ nà ọmọ ìkìní náà kú wèé wẹ̀ lórí ọ̀bọ́nú gíákẹ́ náà rí ibò ní àgbẹ̀wá gíákẹ́ náà kìní náà kú wèé lọ́wọ́ yẹn yóò láàrin ìyà ẹ̀ máa wọ ọgbà mùdíàwá ọwọ́ máa sọ àkàgọ́ ẹni ata láàrin ìmẹ̀ mọ́tàmùwẹ̀ máa wọ ọgbà kẹ́ yà àmọ̀ ìbáyé lọ́nà àwọn ẹ̀wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀díẹ̀kiri máa wọ ọgbà rí ọ but ekuye yẹn bẹ ekuye yan o jẹmi pa wo we jọ pa de ma no jọ mi no wa ba igbari o yan mi we gbe gire wa gbu yan yo yan bẹ ekere ebi ona abe na ya pa o to bo ya sare no mu na ya pa o gun sa yo bo o to bo we sa yo bo ni emi ya pa o ekena amem ma sa utama we gi we ge ho we yesi ba mi ru ri yo bo na yen we do apa gbe bo to wa pa na we gbere ori o je to mo we gbere we pa uri wa o ge o ki awe uri wa o to bo eta uri ugbesa na we wa gbere ya ẹ̀mẹ́ni náà ta ni wọ́n wẹ̀rẹ̀ gbére à ní wá ta ni ẹ̀mẹ́ náà kú àná wọ́n ní iye máa oorun sí ẹ̀ ẹ bá bọ̀ wẹ adé wẹ kéde wọn náà kì í ọ masadi kéde wọn náà gbé kù kéde wọn náà kì í wọ́n sẹ̀ tí yíyó bọ̀ náà. Ekele na nwana nkuru ya na gbe ada egbewo gobe ya obude o se we no twano o bi ewo no o bi dun wo no awe ki wo ebi no ma ke ba hu nga no etile awa de go wi o di keke ya ndomu o di nwuna omu fua o de to ma pass we zuko akie ya bele uno ya ri yobo no wa no ma pass we zuko e me ro no adie na ma oge de we atie be no make na pass I ami wana no ma e feel there me to be me ka e feel be da wa ge go banka feel you we ka ito ne Wow. Aqui, Araguana. Sabe aqui, mami aqui eu isso ata na wedo na ya we mi e do aya de yo body we ma Yeah, wa no swear was so woo. No raki while we work it. You bobami o solobo. Oh, you don't know what you batai na with the Ugela Marion, Mary, you born Agbu, a bona make it down with Fure. Yemi already Jesu Christi Danyama. It's Makata Renana Swamba. Oh, Yakwe no, Yakwe. Asi kokore do, edo no baye, Yakwe. Ya agwaka uku na tuebedo. Ya na agwaka uku na tuebedo. Ya we remember so we me do guangwa. Me agi ungia. When magwana ebe gwa yebi mugia ni abe pe. Uku na tuebedo. Where yere makagwa kamina nekpia. Okay. No time no my ho. When you do why you? Where that me uku na tuebedo ba yaka. Ike no demo. Ara ito digwetu ma. Bari yakwo ne he. Oni a wait me do gwanka. The one digwetu where yakwo ne he. Why they no do ho? E baby vana. Magbana yo uku na tue. Ne do tue. Oruwe baby vana. Ma agwa le bina wa we do. Wa we se wa ya no re na. Wa de owu ama odo wu ama. Even ma we na wa we ata me wa we. Okun na. Even no wa okun na wa de gian ni abe ni abe. Ni abe we. So ba no get do mayo is uyo wo pon owo saro bo do pon kan aro we fi de de. I said the devil there. Is ọba ẹwà ìnọ̀rẹ́dọ̀ wa tó ìpẹ̀rẹ̀ kékeré àmọ́ òwúrọ̀ àmọ́ ó yẹ pé òun tó gé ọba yìí ló bọ́ ẹ̀fọ́ ìṣẹ́ ọba àtọ́pẹ́ ìṣẹ́ wàyà do kìsìlọ̀ fẹ́ sókè abókan junior Daniel kò yọ humble no sáà kò yọ ọgbọ́n báyìí yìí bá Matthew ohun ẹ̀ hàn òfin ẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́yìn agbá Solomon Demundia kò yọ ìṣiṣẹ́ àmì ẹ̀rọ̀fọ́ náà èdè ẹ̀ humble no saka ẹ̀ Kingsley Fẹ́sọ̀kè kò yọ Rita Ìnàbúlẹ̀lẹ̀ kò yọ wàyé rẹ̀ bí náà kàtà ẹ̀dúnpọ̀ wẹ́sọ̀ ọ̀nà gbogbo àárín nàìjíríà mi ọ̀yà ní ẹ̀rẹ́ náà sábà fìbú wa òyà àpọ̀ ibẹ̀ náà ọ̀bẹ̀ wà dé yàpọ̀ wà á dé ìdíyàdó ń pa bàbá àdè náà dó kókò tẹ̀mẹ́dò ìgbà yà á kókò wẹ́kù gbé o ẹ̀rọ ká fún wọn pa ọ̀bí àyà dó o ọ̀bẹ̀ bàbá dó o ọ̀bẹ̀ yèyé dó o ọ̀bẹ̀ tẹ́ dó o ọ̀bẹ̀ kì í yàpọ̀ o bàbá. Woo!